Hello! After watching this video, you will know how to use the content information component for tagging, searching and filtering content inside Grasshopper. You can find the component in the Rhino tab's content section. Let's get to examples. The content information component description says that it is used to get or set some information about Rhino content elements. The information in question is the content's parent, name, notes and tags. In this example, the model object container is set to this sphere. I will use the component to give it a name, add some notes, and add some tags to it. I press push content to associate this information with the content. Now, if the content does not have a parent, in the Rhino model hierarchy, the parent parameter will be empty. This is easy to explain with the layers. Here I am using the content information component to get the parent of the sublayer layer. We can see them on the right in the layer list. Let's move on. Here, query model objects is used to get all the objects in the model, and I am creating a contains text filter to filter out only the spheres. I have set the key input to be a model object's tags. So this component will now get all the content that has a tag that contains the text sphere. The filter is then connected to the filter content component, and I am extracting the sphere. Now, of course, the previous example was just a warm-up. Here is a parent layer that has a few sublayers. Let's open Grasshopper. In this script, query model layers is first used to get all the layers from the model. There are 170 of them. I am then creating a list of random boolean values and I add them as nodes to the layers. I am again using the contains text filter component and I have set the key to the model object categories nodes. The contains option is selected from the filter and the text to contain is 1. The filter content will then return all layers that have the tag 1 attached to them. There are 88 of them. Here's another example where I use practically the same script to select certain cubes from a set of cubes. I hope this demonstrates the idea of using tags or nodes to filter content. That is all for now. If you learned something, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.